Hey, we're up here at the Woodburn site today. Haven't been up here in several days. We've got a lot of footing action going on here. Check out all the rebar. Ready for secondary pour. We've got the dig out. I know what this is going to be. So we got two buildings, one to the south, one to the north. Docks. We got all the utilities done. There's our other vault. There's another transformer. They're getting her done. Let me tell you. I can't tell you how many cubic yards we hauled out of here. It's coming together. Just let the concrete guys do their work. And we'll be doing some fill-in action after that. Busy, busy.